Drunken barbecue.
So today we're gonna make BBQ chicken. We marinated chicken yesterday, so that's all nice and flavorful today. Thought to do it yesterday. It's better, of course, to have the flavors going through the meat, and I'm sure you're not waiting for me to see you rubbing a chicken.
Rub your meat.
We're gonna put some vegetables in a drip tray. We're gonna have far beer in here that will penetrate in the chicken. Man, it's gonna be lovely. And then of course there's some herbs and veggies and other stuff that goes in here too. Anyway, I'm gonna take you through the process. Enjoy the video. Oh, and we're gonna do it of course in the barbecue.
And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button.
Let's start cutting, guys. Don't make this rocket science. Nice big chunks. I mean, that's fine. And we place that in the drip tray.
Sorry guys, I fucked up again. You can't see the drip tray, but it's there.
Take a potato, same thing. Oh. Make sure you wash them beforehand, So, potatoes, yeah, we do the onions. I should have prepared this, guys, so you don't need to watch me doing all of this, as it is a tedious job. It's good we only have one, and not too many of them. If we have many of them, you shall also see me cry. Also, nice big rough cut. And we place that by the rest. There we go, drip tray with vegetables. Next thing on the list is put some olive oil on. That's it. And we drizzle that. Use your fingers, nothing better than using your fingers. And throw your food on the floor. Italian herbs. Nice. Gonna add some pepper. Got to add some pepper. And some salt. Mix it. And we're going to put a fire beer in there. We all know that sounds like a There we go. The star of today. BBQ chicken. There we go. We can leave it open till the sun browns it. I don't think that will work. So let's put it to bed. Kick in the fire. And go for gold. Good night, dear. So the only thing left to do is chill. Relax, fire management. Then we chill some more, we relax some more fire management. Slowly we will get there. The only thing can help us is time. There you go, guys. For the last hour and a half, 2 hours, been keeping a steady temperature. Yeah, everything went good. I haven't looked. Looking is no cooking. Golden rule. So I haven't seen this neither. Well, if you like what you see, please subscribe, because that will help out millions. So here we go. Moment of truth. May this be Christmas. Or is it a bummer? We don't know yet. We shall find out. Oh yeah. Christmas comes early. Look at that. Good chicken. Nice golden brown, and look at those veggies. Awesome.
Well, that's it again for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and leave your comments below. And as always, happy grilling and see you in the next video.